Welcome to The Truth Behind the Flavor, where we explore the most misunderstood ingredient in your kitchen, Ajinomoto, or MSG. Is Ajinomoto dangerous, or is it just misunderstood? That's the core question we're diving into today. Many restaurants proudly state no MSG on their menus, playing on common misconceptions. But the truth about this flavor enhancer might actually surprise you. Why the widespread fear? It's time to understand what we're actually talking about when we discuss Ajinomoto. So what exactly is Ajinomoto? Let's break down the science behind this common ingredient. Ajinomoto is simply the brand name for MSG, Monosodium Glutamate. It is a simple compound derived from an amino acid. MSG is made from glutamic acid, an amino acid naturally found in many foods you already eat every day, like tomatoes, mushrooms, cheese, and even seaweed. MSG is the key to umami, often described as the fifth taste after sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. This savory depth makes food taste incredibly satisfying and rich. Because of this powerful flavor enhancement, MSG is commonly used in things like instant noodles, savory snacks, restaurant gravies, soups, and sauces. Let's explore the benefits. When used correctly and in small amounts, MSG can actually be a great tool in cooking. It enhances the natural flavors of ingredients and gives food that richer, more complex taste without adding excessive fat. Crucially, MSG can help food manufacturers and chefs reduce the overall amount of salt needed in a dish, making it a valuable tool for sodium reduction. For large-scale cooking and food production, MSG helps maintain a consistent, high-quality taste, which is why it's so popular in the food industry. Now let's address the elephant in the room: the reported negative effects and common concerns surrounding MSG. In the past, some individuals reported mild reactions like headaches, sweating, or flushing, which led to the term Chinese restaurant syndrome. However, after decades of extensive scientific studies, regulatory bodies worldwide have concluded that MSG is generally safe when consumed in normal quantities. So if it's safe, why do many chefs and restaurants still actively avoid using it or advertise being MSG-free? The main reason is simple: customer perception. Even though it is considered safe, many customers prefer no MSG foods due to the lingering reputation. Instead of pure MSG, chefs use natural umami boosters like mushroom powder, tomato reduction, slow caramelized onions, or Parmesan cheese to get that savory kick. So we come back to the big question. Is Ajinomoto harmful, or is it just a misunderstood, effective, and natural-tasting flavor enhancer? The science points to the latter. Comment below. Do you use MSG in cooking, yes or no? And follow for more chef secrets and food science facts.